Cleaning the grout in your kitchen, tile floors, or bathroom shower can be a hassle, and neglecting to clean the floor and shower tile grout can make it look dirty and uninviting. If you have tile surfaces in your home, a good grout cleaner is essential for your cleaning routine. We have selected and reviewed amazing grout cleaners for kitchen and bathroom floors. If you like any of them, you can buy through the link in description. Number 1. Clean-Ease Heavy Duty Grout Cleaner. It is a professional-grade solution, which effortlessly eliminates stubborn stains, grease and dirt from your tile and grout. It is designed for your home, as its heavy-duty formula swiftly revitalizes ceramic and porcelain tile grout, while leaving your floors gleaming. It simplifies the process of cleaning grout, while saving you time and effort. It allows you to achieve a deep clean, while leaving your tiles looking fresh and new. It can be used in various areas of your home, which makes it a versatile addition to your cleaning supplies. It is safe for use on colored grout, while ensuring it remains vibrant and undamaged. Number 2. Goo-Gone Grout and Tile Cleaner. It effectively removes tough stains, dirt, mold, mildew, soap scum and hard water stains, which makes it suitable for use on tile, ceramic and porcelain surfaces. It quickly breaks down stubborn grime for efficient cleaning, as it is formulated to clean effectively without strong chemical smells. It tackles a wide range of common household stains, which makes it ideal for bathroom and kitchen use. It cleans without damaging your tile, ceramic or porcelain surfaces, while preserving their appearance. It reduces cleaning time by rapidly dissolving stains and grime, while offering a long-lasting using experience. Number 3. Grout Cleaner by Zep. It is specially designed to dissolve tough stains and grime from grout lines, as it penetrates grout to lift and remove embedded dirt and stains. It is ideal for use on tile surfaces in bathrooms, kitchens and other tiled areas, as it comes with a pre-mixed formula for convenient and immediate use. Its deep cleaning action leaves grout looking fresh and renewed, as it is ready to use right out of the bottle, which saves you time and effort. Number 4. Black Diamond Ultimate Grout Cleaner. It offers a professional strength, acid-free formula for deep cleaning and removing tough stains from tile grout in kitchens and bathrooms. It allows you to use it confidently on colored grout and natural stone surfaces like ceramic, marble, and granite, as this safe, acid-free cleaner prevents damage to floors and walls. It revives the original color of your grout, while enhancing the appearance of your floors and making them look new. It provides versatile cleaning solutions to handle any grout cleaning task. Its ready-to-use formula simplifies the cleaning process. Just spray it on, let it sit, scrub, and rinse for excellent results. Number 5. Rejuvenate Grout Deep Cleaner. It instantly tackles years of dirt and buildup, providing a deep clean to restore grout to its original color. It is designed to remove tough stains, grime and discoloration from grout lines, while revitalizing the appearance of your tiled surfaces. It is suitable for use on a variety of surfaces including tile, ceramic and porcelain, which makes it a versatile choice for different areas of your home. It is specially formulated to not only clean, but also rejuvenate grout, which makes it look like new and improves the overall appearance of your floors and walls.